IRS is getting smarter, and now they're using AI to track down tax evaders. Congress cut their budget and they cut their staff and are still demanding more tax revenue. So the IRS turned to AI machine learning systems. And these are not just your basic computer programs. They're tools that can scan millions of tax returns in seconds. They spot patterns that human auditors never would see and flag taxpayers who are more likely to owe more. And here's the part that matters for you. This isn't only aimed at billionaires. Artificial intelligence can scale, which means it can reach everyday taxpayers. So if you're self-employed or even just working a regular W-2 job, there's a strong chance your return is already being analyzed. So what exactly is the system looking for? The first major red flag is income mismatches. If the income you report on your tax return doesn't match with what the IRS already has on file, that's going to be a problem. The second red flag is unusual deductions. If your expenses are far higher than what's common in your industry, your return is going to stand out. And then another issue is relying on too many perfectly round numbers. It shows that you're estimating, which indicates that you are not keeping accurate records of your expenses. Real expenses rarely come out to even figures like $500 or $1,000 every single time. Large charitable deductions that don't line up with your income, those can also trigger a review. And then finally, frequent address changes, especially around tax time, can look like fraud in the system. The good news is that protecting yourself is pretty straightforward. Keep detailed records, including your receipts, your statements, business contracts, and invoices, and hold on to them for at least 7 years. Stay consistent from year to year and avoid sudden unexplained changes. And then report all of your income, whether it's from side gigs, rental property, or investments. Only take deductions that you can fully document and always file your return on time. The bottom line is this: AI is changing the way IRS reviews returns, but if you're honest, organized, and careful with your documentation, you can be confident that you have nothing to fear.